And here we go. We're just about ready to put the ball.
So they also have their own strong starting lineup in Fajardo, Pons, Laure, Reyes, Sharma, D, and Cat Parado. Ngayon to the 16th point. After the 16th point, pwede nang magpasok ng reserves yung head coaches.
And we are underway, Neil. First attack, Panaga. Fajardo. The dink by Laure. And the first point belongs to Hustle. I think the joy as well when we saw in this Spikers term is guys being teammates with others that they don't get to be teammates with in their club. Laure receiving, Fajardo setting Pons up. Yan ang hindi mo nakikita raw, Fajardo Pons. Tinaas ni Mika. Pons taps it over. Tinaas ni Baron. You don't see that every day. Baron against Reyes. Crowd is into it. Ah! And listen to this crowd roar!
From the callouts pa lang, we felt the energy from the fans. Simula sa Spikers turf as our appetite kung paano sila maglalaro.
Laure. Pons. Galanza. Baron. You don't see that every day. Gia to Baron. And again, Belen scores. She already has 4 of the 8 points registered so far. Here's Bernadette. Received by Micaela. Gemma Galanza.
It's also an experience for the attackers of Team Heart. Na
Kanina lang sa introductions eh. Gia adjusting. Didn't get a feel of it. Laure denied. Fifi, I thought she'd fake. Kim Kennedy. Kim gets to it. Fifi dumps it in! 3 points by Fifi.
Saya siguro ni Fifi, hindi ako mako-call out.
Belen denied. Mukhang nag-sorry siya kay Kim Kiana. Baka nasipa niya siguro. Nag-sorry siya agad. It's on the ground and it's dead in the water. We're tied at 12.
Sorry daw, sabi ni Bangs Banaga. Hindi mo sinasadya. Good pancake save from Nazareno. Second touch by Santos.
Galing niya sa rin. Although kahit sanay na sila nakakalaban, ano? Ito gusto nito. Naku, adjust si Pons. Paborito niya yung kanto na yan. Ito tayo. Pablo's in the game. Naku, time out. Ang Hassel behind by 4 right now.
Open conference. It's also time for some R&R sa players.
Oo nga naman. Or all Filipino? All Filipino ba yung huli natin? Okay.
Tuwang-tuwa.
Ano ba yung last natin? All Filipino?
Yeah.
All Filipino. Oo. Di mo naman. Parang high school team, oh. Serving for the set at 24-18. Pons. Alohi with the set. And we are done with set number 1. Paboritong number today yung 25-18, ano?
This is what happened also in the Spikers turf. Strong start for Team Heart. At halos nagamit ni Coach Rat lahat ng players niya sa first set pa lang.
And Heart takes ng 5 sets. Arayot na panood ko kagabi nung ini-edit doon sa session natin kagabi. In the meantime, Gandler with a touch on it. So 1 sports, 1 sports plus. So sa Pilipinas Live, 25-18 ang bilang, nanalo ang team na naka-asul, ang Team Heart. Gandler. Ooh, Gandler coming off the bench, producing 4 points right away.
MVP. Scored a lot of points early in this matchup. At pinasok lang yan, padulo na ni Coach Ral. Si Eliza Iroa for Team Hustle.
Tots, the familiar power serve. Onto a familiar move from Cayuna. Bansica gets it to go and they have the lead.
Yan yung advantage sa dalawang libero mo. Even sa block coverage, di mamamatay basta-basta yung bola.
And I have it on good word. They both liberos can play at the same time. They cannot serve though. They can spike. Carlos says, go dive for that one. Pablo tracks it down. Ayun, sa arena sa San Juan, di mo pwedeng gawin yun. Oh! Bawi si Acuña. Rampa is allowed today.
Kanina, nung nakadepensa siya, may tingin kay Vanning yun. It's a walk-off against Liza Valdez.
Gandler, Cayuna, Panaga, tinaas ni Gandler. Panaga to the rear. Eroa is there. Gandler with a hand. Shoved over by Justin. Alohi. Oh, we are still alive. Gandler. Broke. Sliding for it is Cayuna. Oh!
1-2 play from Don Macandili, and it is a celebration for Team Heart.
You will not see this every day. I tell you, you are in such a great seat to this great experience.
Talaga nitong Team Heart.
Cayuna and Pablo exit. De Guzman. Okay, gagamit sila ng
Premier point. Dahil down pa sila ng 5 points. Want to cut the deficit with this premier point.
She will serve short. She will serve short. Diba? And dalawang libero. Brock. To the rear. Arrado. Brock. Katindig. Kept alive. We are screaming here in Candon. The elevation. Brock drops it. And the 2 points belong to Hustle.
They will win that premier point requested by Team Heart. So, +2 on the board. 19.
2 points away from icing the set. Carlos changes hands in the air. Alohi kicks it up. Valdez.
6 points na kay Liza Valdez.
Wala rin magawa yung tatlong yun. Bakbakan. Merong. Tapos, some points. Mukhang Galanza touch it last. Walang competition. In the meantime, Belen's back on the floor. Santos shoots away. The reverse set by Fajardo. And that's out of reach. First point belongs to Hustle. Of course, the intensity will have to pick up again in just a short while. I'm sure with a few couple of rallies and exchanges, we'll see that. Galanza. Kim Kiana sends it to the corner, but it's managed by Hart. Belen. Such a smart player.
Kahit na hindi siya masyadong naglaro nung set number 2, hindi nga siya pumasok ng set number 2 eh. Siya pa rin yung leading scorer ng Team Heart with 9 points. How time flies.
Yes, it does. Carlos. Panaga. Ponce, I see that every day in practice.
Tinatayuan lang ni Bernardo Ponce.
We do that all the time.
Talagang dito mo ibibigay ha.
It's inside. Carlos hits it before the line.
Okay, deadlock at 13. Na ulit sila.
Unless national team, di ba? Problemado. And now it's a 3-point lead as we hit the second technical timeout. 16-13, Team Hart is ahead.
Second technical timeout. Team Hart has requested for a premier poll.
Oh, then here it is, Neil.
They want to make this a 5-point lead. If they lose this, lalong didikit yung Team Hustle.
Yeah. High risk, high reward. Pay on the serve. Block. And they get the two. And just like that, they lead by 5.
Timeout will be called by Team Hustle.
They give it to Belen. Your point, the Hart team was used and scored upon. Punched. Hindi gumapang yung tira ni Baron.
Points in this set. 6 na ngayon ang lamang ng Team Hart, but they will get a point back. Talking about Team Hustle.
And Kayuna said, I do that. Got a dose of my own medicine with this one. Boom.
Parehong-pareho.
Yeah.
Now she's sections.
It's alive. They shove it over. Chance to attack. Handled well. Pons. Chance to attack anew. Belen. Yes! And we are done with set 3. Team Hart advances 25-23 to set 2 only. Fourth set coming your way shortly. At saka medyo blocking will be of paramount importance here. A win by the team in blue ends our day here. But if we go 5, I wouldn't be surprised. Valdez is rejected. And the tap by Majoy Baron, who has made a living from that part of the floor.
Pansecal in one set, pumuntos ng 8 yan kanina.
Oh.
She can do the same para makahabol sila here, but blue shirts mean business here in set number 4.
They're hungry. Arado calmly takes care of that. Van Siegel can tindig. That's Valdez taking care of that one.
Magic number 9 for Eliza Valdez. Double sub for Coach Ral, Jel Cayuna, Erica Santos. Check it.
All of them yet playing, eh?
Shared pa yung playing minutes.
Oh.
At least the fans saw most of their idols here. Kung mas marami lang po, sana tayong pwedeng isama para makita ng kandon how the game is played.
And some players I know who were selected also had some health issues that they... Okay. Why does...
Nagpalit-palit na po sila ng roles. Linesman na ngayon si Bella Belen.
Biased yan.
May hinatak si Bea.
Ano yan?
I think these are the volunteers.
Okay. Sige.
Si Kat Arado naman ang tagapunas ng bola.
Okay. Si Bea, cheerleader sa tabi. Yes! What a moment for the fan.
You know, that's going to be part of the core memory of the supporters of the PBL. Yung mga quick moments with your idols na makakalaro mo sila.
Malay niyang pupunta siya dyan. Yeah. Si Aloy is being playful about this whole thing.
May kick set pa kanina.
2012. Katindig. Gia. Katindig says, Uy, 2 points to. Ay! Labukay bigla ang Hassel.
+2 for Team Hustle. Now, 14 serving 20. Hindi nagkaamoy si Gia at Majoy. Majoy is asking for 1 more set. Sapa daw, sapa.
Blessed and safe trip going home It's been a joy bringing all of you here to Condon. In the what are these girls doing? What are you doing?
Gulat si Coach Ronald. Wala sa plano It's Coach Ronald Ricafort serving for Team Heart. Hindi niyo po na itatanong. He was part of the UP men's volleyball team.
Ganun ba? Nakalaban mo yan? Hindi. Hindi na. Outside that, Coach Rad, at tama na. Knocking at the door, Laksina. Katindi. Valdez. One more time around the block. But this time it's Pablo. Laksina stretches for it. Van Sickle. Dawn. De Guzman. Back row attack!
We have arrived at warning point.
15 points.
Heart 2 points away from winning this All-Star game.
I don't think we'll see this.
To create the rules.
Yeah. To do their own thing. Don. And we are done. What a joyful day for volleyball.
An eventful day here in Canton City. Team Heart will win it in 4 sets.
And this guy who's cleaning the floor has no idea what hit him right now.